We begin with the deepening intrigues around the office of the Deputy President, and tonight the High Court has slammed the brakes on the swearing-in of Professor Kithure Kindiki as Deputy President. In a fresh legal fightback by the impeached Deputy President Rigathi Gachagua, the High Court in Nairobi ordered a halt to the process of Gachagua's removal, triggered by the impeachment by the Senate. An anticipated swearing-in ceremony planned for Nairobi's Gardens on Saturday is now in doubt after the High Court in Nairobi stopped the process. A similar order was issued by the High Court in Kirinyaga. On a day, Professor Kindiki was nominated by President William Ruto and approved by the National Assembly to succeed Rigathi Gachagua as Deputy President. Kicking us off is Brenda Wanga.
As we had advised you earlier, the vote is overwhelmingly yes. So the nomination is herewith declared passed by the House.
Moments after the National Assembly voted to confirm the nomination of Professor Kindiki Kithure as the next Deputy President, and a flurry of orders from courts in and out of Nairobi brought to a halt his planned swearing-in.
The status quo prevails. His Excellency Rigathi Gachagua is still the Deputy President of Kenya until the court hears and gives further direction.
Deputy President Rigathi Gachagua moved to the High Court in Nairobi to challenge his impeachment by the Senate Thursday night on grounds that the allegations leveled against him and on which the Senate voted to impeach were not substantiated. Neither was he accorded a chance for fair trial. He also maintained that the evidence adduced in Senate was not sufficient to impeach him.
What has been happening at the National Assembly, at the Senate, and I don't think I want to get there. What we want to state is that we did make an application to the High Court protesting the process which was carried at the Senate, and we are glad to report that the court did issue conservatory orders, which we have here and which we have served to the relevant parties for their attention.
As a result of that petition, Justice Chacha Mwita granted Gachagua's legal team conservatory orders on the basis that the issue raised in the application and the petition raised monumental constitutional issues touching not only at the heart of a functioning constitution, but also its monumental tenets of the rule of law and human rights. Another petition was also filed at Milimani Court's Basheria Mtaani, challenging the impeachment on grounds that the impeached Gachagua was not given the chance to defend himself.
When it became clearly apparent that the Rigathi Gachagua was unable to attend to the Senate sessions to defend himself, well, it was decided, and procedurally and unconstitutionally so, that the proceedings of the Senate will proceed.
Another set of orders came from Kerugoya High Court. Justice Richard Mwongo ruled that the matters raised in a petition filed by 5 applicants, including a Kirinyaga County Assembly MCA David Munyi Madhenge, were of great national importance and urgency. Consequently, the court stopped the Deputy President nominee, Professor Kindiki Kithure, from assuming the office of the Deputy President.
Gross violation of Articles 10(2)A, B, and C 27(4).
Munyi argued in his application that the impeachment process was flawed right from the public participation stage to the Senate vote. The courts in both Nairobi and Kerugoya have set the 24th of next week as the date when the matters will be heard. The file for Rigathi Gachagua's petition has been forwarded to the Chief Justice for the empanelment of an uneven judge bench to hear it. Brenda Wanga, Citizen TV.